Okay, I just want to show you what you need to do if you want to add an image from the web that you found in, say, Google image search into your diagram. Let's just blank this out by deleting these images. Let's say that instead of little circles for electrons, I want to use a grumpy face for my negative electron. Okay, so I did my Google image search. I like this image. What I'm going to do is click over here, View Image. Okay, and I'm going to copy the address of that image. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste that text right there because I will need to know that is my citation. I will need to know the address of my image. Then I'm going to go and actually copy the image, paste it into my diagram. I can adjust the size. I could, let's see, make a little line to make a negative sign because this is going to be an electron, so I'll make a nice fat line there. So there's my electron. I could select these two things and then do a double click, two-finger click on a Chromebook or a right mouse click, pull up this menu. I can group them, then I can move it around together. I believe on a Chromebook that is a two-finger click on here will get you a menu like this. And you have to make sure that you have this citation in here. And I could even add in there. Now I've properly cited where I got the image from that I'm using in my diagram. Okay, thanks for watching.